Selling your business might be the biggest financial decision you'll ever make. But what happens after the deal closes is where most people get stuck. This is Moments That Matter, a series about the transitions that reshape your financial life. Today's moment is selling a business. I've worked with business owners who felt ready to sell, but quickly realized they had more questions than answers. How do I minimize tax? What happens to my income now? Should I gift some proceeds to family or reinvest? How do I make sure I don't outlive this money? In Canada, selling a business can trigger capital gains, impact your lifetime capital gains exemption, and completely change your estate plan. And beyond the financial side, there's the emotional piece, letting go, figuring out what's next, redefining your purpose after the sale. Here's what we often focus on before, during, and after a sale: tax strategy and timing, diversifying and protecting proceeds, income replacement and planning, succession and estate updates, charitable giving, and family legacy conversations. If you're thinking about selling or already have, reach out. I'll help you turn the deal you worked so hard to build into a strategy that protects what's next.